For this purple tumbler here, I'm going to be doing a simple striped tumbler, just 2 color stripes. I was going to do black and white, but my white spray paint would not spray. It would not come out. So I only spray painted like a part of it, and then I was like, I guess I gotta move on to a different color. So I grabbed this purple here, which I believe is Rust-Oleum Lilac is the color. So I spray painted it all purple. Now I'm gonna do a thin layer of epoxy and add this Lavender Lemonade by the glitter guy. It's a hacked glitter. So when I add it to my epoxy, it's basically gonna look like this cup is full glitter, even though it's not. So once this cup is fully epoxied with the glitter, I'm going to then tape off the entire cup, peel off every other piece of tape, spray paint those sections a different color, which I haven't decided what color yet. And then I'm going to epoxy those spots and do the same thing with the glitter over the epoxy. And then I'm going to have stripes. So I've now got my glittered purple cup, so it looks like it's covered in purple glitter. Now I'm gonna tape off the entire cup. Of course, that doesn't meet up properly. So now I gotta do another piece of tape. This is not going well for me today. Okay. Now I'm gonna make a little kind of a handle, sort of. So this is easy to pick up when I need to. This tape is not great. I'm gonna try to make just a bunch of tape stripes at one time. Maybe that'll work better for me. Okay, so even though I tore off another piece of tape, I'm not gonna need it. This part will just be whatever color I'm gonna spray paint. I'm just gonna leave it like that. So now every other piece I'm gonna peel up. I'm still deciding what color I want to use. Let's see, I could do black, so then it'll be black and purple. Or I could do blue and purple, pink and purple. Don't have any white spray paint right now. I think I'm gonna go with black. Okay, so that's black and purple. I don't even know what I'm putting on this cup, so that's part of the problem. Trying to decide what colors to do when I don't even know what I'm putting on it. I really wanted to use these flowers on something, but I don't think the purple is going to actually work with any of those. So let's see. Could end up putting something like that on there. Probably not a Christmas one. Okay, if I do black, I could end up putting some Halloween stuff on there. So I'm going to do black. I feel like that gives me more to work with. So I'm going to go take this outside and spray paint it. And I'm going to aim to just spray paint these areas. But that's why the tape is here, to help protect those purple areas that I want to stay purple. But if there is a little bit of, you know, crossover at the end, I'm gonna get some acetone on the Q-tip and just kind of clean it up a little bit. Okay, here's what the cup looks like now. Obviously I wasn't very good at only aiming for those spots because it's like all black. I'm gonna let this turn on the turner a little bit and dry, and then I will peel off the tape. Okay, that's my Cricut making noise. It's cutting something out, but I'm gonna be taking the tape off now. There's definitely a little bit that got under the tape, so I am gonna go around these edges with a Q-tip with some acetone on it and just get that off. And then in a few hours, I will epoxy this cup. Okay, that did not work for me the way I wanted it to. All right. I will epoxy this cup, and I will put this same lavender lemonade sparkle in the epoxy to get that shimmery look on the black as well. Okay. Now I'm a little bit messy, but whatever. All right, it's kind of a weird spot right there, but oh well. That looks pretty cool. I think I'm really gonna like this as a Halloween cup. I'm glad I chose the black. So now I'm just gonna clean this up with some acetone, and then the next time I epoxy my cups, I am going to do this cup last because I'm gonna add the lavender lemonade glitter into the epoxy, do one final coat over this. And then I should be ready to put some decals or a name or whatever I'm going to put on it and be able to do that. Alright, so I've been kind of sitting with this cup for a while now. I was gonna make it a Halloween tumbler, but changed my mind. That's what I do. So right now it's kind of scratched up because I sanded it. So I decided I'm gonna put, at the very least, put some vinyl lines on it. So I'm just gonna center that between the purple and black, and then just kind of pull it all the way around. If I feel like it's, you know, going too low, I can just lift it up and continue on. And just line it up there and then cut it. I just went with whatever color vinyl I already had. It's kind of hard to see in this lighting, at least looking through the phone right now. It's hard to see, but these are navy blue. Let's see, it's Cricut brand. I believe it's called adhesive foil. So I got it at Michael's. So that's what I'm using now, and I'm just going to do that around the whole thing, and then I'm going to decide if I want to put some sort of decal on the cup or just leave it as is. I just already had these lines, so that's why I'm using them. Oops, grab two. And you really can't tell. That's where they meet. It's so hard to tell. I like to cut it a little bit past, I can't even tell now, but I like to cut it a little bit past where they overlap, so you don't risk any movement. Oh, there that goes. Vinyl lines just make your cup look so much better and so much cleaner, not so messy. That part of the cup up there is kind of messy, the line, so cover it up and it's like that never happened. I might have to cut just literally one line. That's annoying. For whatever reason, these top ones, I guess they didn't cut deep enough. See, I cut really deep on these. I cut it on cardstock mode, so they come out really easily. These top ones must have been cut different. So I just got to cut one more out, and then that's where it'll go. So now with this cup, I am going to put some of these decals on it. So this is the end result. I wish I had done a different glitter over the top of this paint. I feel like it would have looked better. Overall, this isn't really my favorite way to do a striped tumbler, but it was easy. I just wish I had done a different glitter and applied the glitter differently. But this is where we're at, and now I'm going to cut out some of these decals, and I'm going to place them randomly on the cup, and I'll show you what that looks like. So there's one on there now, and I'm going to cut a few more and just place them randomly all around the cup, maybe 3 or 4 more of those decals. And these are from the glitter guy, by the way. Okay, so here's what it looks like now with all the decals on it. I really like the way this looks, and this is the look I was going for. So now I just need to put on a couple layers of epoxy, hopefully just one, but you never know. So once I do that, it will be all done. Thanks for watching.